Is this going to be enough to save crypto? Let's take a look at what Hong Kong is actually doing. Hong Kong has officially outlined a plan to let retail investors trade digital tokens like Bitcoin and Ethereum.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and TONIC fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. We're gonna dive into it, guys, because the start of the bull run could be happening faster than we think, and projects like TONIC and Crow will absolutely crush it in the next cycle. And I'm telling you guys this because I'm truly bullish, and I truly believe these are the type of projects that will absolutely shock the crypto space, guys, especially the Cronos ecosystem and TONIC, guys. We're gonna dive into it, and we're gonna research and discover what could be the next catalyst for the next bull run. It is happening faster than we think, and the country that is involved is one of the largest countries in the world and is rivaling the US in its economic standing. If this is something that you're interested in, guys, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers. Also, please be sure to support all my previous videos. Give them a watch. I'd really appreciate it. And if you can, please become a channel member and join, so you could get featured in my future videos for a shout out, and I could also get that much closer to making YouTube a full-time thing. As we can see, TONIC is right now on a little retrace, sitting at $22.896 million in market cap. It's only a matter of time until we see a huge move back up to the upside, guys. We had this nice round and bottom, had to move up. We're gonna continue up further in time. The markets might get a bit choppy, and we could see like maybe a crab trend to the upside until we have the huge parabolic move. But consider it like a spring, guys. Consider it like a slingshot. Yeah, slingshot is a better comparison. Same thing with Crow, guys. Consider it like a slingshot. We're pulling back on the elastic of the slingshot, and then it's just a matter of time until we let go, and it just absolutely goes insane, right? We're in the accumulation phase. We're in an accumulation phase. If you look back on Crow or TONIC, for example, you go back in time, all of this was accumulation until we had the huge slingshot. All of this is just building support for that, guys. So we're probably gonna be having that build, but as we're building, you'll see moves up and to the right as time goes by. Crow sitting under 8 cents, TONIC sitting at $22.8 million in market cap. Now back to what I was talking about earlier, guys. China is one of the biggest countries in the world, and we saw the recent not sure if you guys took notice of this, but there's a recent standing where Hong Kong, it's a funny gif right here, kind of distracting me. let me can I mute this tweet real quick? Let's see. Yes, I can. Funny reply in the comment section. Green candles to the face for the ladies, man. That aside, Hong Kong has been taking crypto very seriously, and they're making Hong Kong a crypto hub. And this was recent news that took place from Lark Davis. A China pump for crypto will be huge. Giant economy. Hong Kong opening for crypto. Chinese love crypto and have long history as the biggest miners in many exchanges coming from China, and the Chinese central bank is printing money harder right now, right? So the Chinese central bank is already adding liquidity to the markets. They're already in the quantitative easing cycle where money gets added to the markets to help push the economy up, right? And Hong Kong embracing crypto, as embracing the country to be a crypto hub, is just the bullish news that could get the start of this rally going. We could already see it in the charts where Bitcoin, the lead market mover, is following Chinese stocks, and they're in the starting phases of their bull run, right? If China and Hong Kong are pushing for crypto, the US will have to follow. From Watcher Guru, China reportedly backing Hong Kong's proposal to become a crypto hub. So China is backing Hong Kong's proposal to become a crypto hub. That is super bullish news that we're getting, guys. That is absolutely insanely bullish, right? If you're in TONIC, I hope that you're DCAing. This will be the time that you DCA. We'll be moving sideways for a bit, but the trend is your friend. So the trend is we'll be moving sideways but going up accordingly, slightly and surely, until we have that huge run up in the FOMO fifth wave of the bull run. So China, the China country itself is supporting Hong Kong to be a crypto hub. That is super bullish. From Johnny, Crypto God John, United States regulatory FUD about crypto starting to take a backseat to the China adoption of crypto narrative. The United States will be forced to adapt and follow China. And it only makes sense, right? Any country that embraces crypto will be a new financial hub. Like, their finances will become much better, because crypto has so many aspects with DeFi, the Cronos ecosystem with its blockchain technology, TONIC with its DeFi, supply, lending, and borrowing technology, right? These type of assets, these type of utilities will bring so much value to, you know, the financial economy as we know it, guys, and it will start a new financial system. The previous financial system that we had is coming to an end. It's clear as day. They will be replaced by crypto, digital assets, and that is just straight in front of your face. So projects like Crow and TONIC, just give it time, guys. DCA, diamond hand, wait for the bull. It's that simple. Now we have a video right here from Joshua J. Just to close out the video, guys, just to give you guys more detailed explanation on things.
China has started the next crypto bull run. Be careful. Recently, people like one of the Winklevoss twins have came out and said that they have a new thesis for crypto, and that is that China is going to start the next crypto bull run. This sounds amazing that China is starting to pump liquidity back into the market after having a failed real estate market and trying to turn around what has already.
And as you guys can see right here, China has been having a lot of issues, right? So that's why they're adding so much liquidity to their economy. This is going to happen to the US as well. We're going to enter a quantitative easing cycle, which absolutely sent us to a crazy parabolic run in the last cycle with the at the time of the pandemic. That will happen again. It's already started in China. It's gonna happen for the US.
It's already begun with our LFGV vehicles, but is this gonna be enough to save crypto? Let's take a look at what Hong Kong is actually doing. Hong Kong has officially outlined a plan to let retail investors trade digital tokens like Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Right here, guys. Hong Kong has made a start for the regular persons like me and you, creating regulatory aspects where you guys, all of us, could trade Bitcoin, digital assets, TONIC, Crow. This is the revolution that is going to take place for great projects like Crow and TONIC. It's just a matter of time.
Taking a major step toward the goal of becoming a crypto hub. This would allow individual investors to trade larger coins on exchanges licensed by the Securities and Futures Commission. Now, the agency did not specify which cryptos are going to be listed, and the consultation period for this won't end until March 31st.
Either way, guys, it doesn't really matter which tokens get listed at first. You could see it's right in your face that the crypto revolution is happening. The digital asset revolution is happening, whether the governments want to stop it or not, whether the oligarchs want to stop it or not. It is happening, and it's happening at a rapid pace. Things move so fast in crypto, you know. Imagine you invest in 1 year, 2 to 3 years later, you're up 6 figures, you're up, millions of dollars. That is insane. It's not possible in any other financial sector. It's only possible in crypto, guys.
And not even go into effect if it goes well until June 1st. So the next bull run. Is it happening? Well, I want to remind you guys of once again the psychology of markets. And even though this sounds incredibly bullish, the smart money has already been entering the market, accumulating after the FTX crash when Hong Kong officially announced their pivot against crypto back in October.
Just like that, right there in your face, guys. The smart money has already been buying since the FTX crash, okay? If that's not an indication to you that you should be DCAing in and diamond handing and just ignore the FUD. You have strong projects right here with Cronos and TONIC. Ignore the FUD. The fundamentals are there. They follow the lead market movers. They follow the rest of the market. When other catalysts are compounded on top of that, it's game over. It's gonna be insane, guys. So stick to your plan, stick to your conviction. TONIC fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, become a channel member, guys. I really appreciate all the support, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.